We did talk about 3840 levels in our analysis with the US session on Dow Jones, that it can try to form a double top and then we can see a retracement. However, also if you listen to it carefully, for both NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones, I told you till the time it trades above 3200 and 11 10 9 49 50, yes, these are the levels. Till the time US30 and US100 trades above these levels, we cannot confirm that it is trying to break more strongly. Now again, both of these are at the same levels, getting the support there, trying to rise. Now what can be expected today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. The next update on these two will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. First we look into US100 followed with US100 certainly getting, see, previous support zone was here at 11,000 and I told you 10,970, 10,940, 50 zone should be a very strong support, and see precisely it has achieved the levels. Now trying to trade within this. Now where is the next resistance? Certainly it has to come pass by 11,050, 60 zone, and if it trades above, you can expect 11,140, 11,200 levels. So yes, you can buy above 11,000, expect 11,000, rather this here is, the next milestone as 1120 itself. So yes, you can expect 11,050, 11,040 levels as a stronger resistance, and beyond that 11,100, 140 zone as the next resistance. I have always maintained these levels and I am again maintaining the same levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic bouncing back from the oversold zone. It can try to rise a little. The MACD is trading bearish. It can converge. RSI, look at the RSI here. See, RSI has stabilized, now curving up probably, so it can possibly take a U-turn from there. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, precisely it just breached the previous support. It is reversed, shown a reversal candle here. Again achieved lower lows, however showing a reversal candle here. Possibly once it trades above 11,000, you can stay long. 11,040, 11,080, 100 should be a greater resistance, then 11,140, 200 are the next targets. Yes, it can continue with those. Also remember, on the 2-hour charts, it is trading in this bearish channel, and at the same time lower highs, lower lows are seen. Possibly the highs at 11,200, 250 are going to be the stronger resistance. Directional movement not indicative. If anything, stochastic is extremely oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It can continue with this. RSI trading at bottom and trading at comfortable levels. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, to see, as I told you there on the 2-hour charts, similar is the reflection here. Lower highs, lower lows. And on the downside, 10,900 is a good support. Yes, if you see it trading below 10,940, certainly one can remain short below 10,940, 10,920. You can expect it to drop sharply for 10,840 and 800 levels, the stronger support. At the same time, till the time it trades above this zone, till the time it trades above 11,000, you can remain long 1140. 1180, 11100 and then 11,140, 200 levels should be seen. 200, 250 is the stronger resistance zone for the day. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD divergent and bearish still, and the RSI is trading flat near to bottom. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see, these are the second red candle. This is the second red candle, but with a smaller body here, and it is trying to reverse from here. Possibly once it trades above this zone at 11,000, certainly you can expect it to rise a little. 11,040, 50, 11,080, and then beyond that we can see it rising, but 11,200, 250 zone should be the stronger resistance, as it is trying to trade in this channel. Now remember, this is still bullish. If it continues to trade about 10,900, this should be still bullish, and it can break either which ways. And remember the fact that beyond 11,400, 500 zone, one can remain bullish for a little while, and Nasdaq 100 one can expect further more bullishness if it trades beyond 11,400, 500. The directional movement moderately bearish here. It is just crossed over. The stochastic looking downwards, trying to sell. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is continuing with the bearish momentum. RSI is trying to converge, trying to look upwards. Let's see if it does. On the 4-hour charts, look at the previous 2 candles. On the daily charts, look at the previous 3 candles here. Lower highs, lower lows, and see the previous candle had a sharper tail and a flat bottom, and yes, it has seen the lows and now trying to recover, now trying to retrace, and hence 11,100, this is the 20 and 50 period moving average, then 11,200. So yes, these are the two resistance levels on the upside. Possibly it may try to achieve this. Yes, you can buy there above 11,000 levels and expect it to rise for 40, 80, 100, 140, 180, 200 levels, the next milestones, and beyond 200 certainly it will fly high. On the downside, you can sell there at 10,940, expect 10,920, the nearest resistance, then 10,880, 10,840, and then below that 10,800. Till 10,800, it has got very strong support. Below that, it may try to continue with the bearish momentum. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Missing out this mentorship session for a month, the next batch will start only in December, hence you'll miss 1 month of profit. So do join the band session and book the seats here now, else you can be part of my signals group where just you can trade as per the signals and definitely you can profit. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your queries for trading and training, else become a pattern and support the effort. The pattern site link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at US30 on the early chart. US30 on the early chart, see greater resistance at 3400 is seen and it is trying to create little steps. See these early charts and see the candles, lower lows are seen there. But yes, I will not be bearish till the time it trades above 3200. Definitely a very strong support exists at 3200. Those who followed me for last couple of weeks, I have told this several times. I am reiterating it again. Now look at the early charts here. It is trying to get a resistance on the upside. Yes, if you see it trading above 3350, you can buy there 3400, and beyond 3400 you can expect more bullishness where it may try to cover up a little on the upside. One can expect 3500, 3600, 3700 levels, and beyond that it will fly. Directional movement, bearish stochastic was oversold, trying to bounce back from the oversold zone. MACD is bearish, trying to trade bearish. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart you will find, see there, right now it is trying to get the support here at 3250, trading below which 3200 is the next milestone, and it can continue with the bearish momentum below this. At the same time, look at the previous few candles, you will find that yes, it's a good support, and then 3400 is the ultimate level beyond which more bullishness is seen. Yes, you can buy there at 3350 itself. Beyond 3350 certainly more bullishness can be expected, taking it till towards 3400, and then 3500, 3600, 700 levels should be seen. So 3650, 720, 840 are the levels if you want to note it down precisely. The directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI trading flat, indicating mixed indication. However, it appears that most indicators are oversold. We can see a reversal. Look at the 3-hour charts. It is showing you a reversal, and yes, see, if it trades beyond this zone at 3350, certainly you can remain long. We can expect bullishness here. We can expect it to rise again from here. Hence 3350, 400 is a good level. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Only bearishness today is below 3200. You can sell there at 3250, buy there at 3350. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic extremely oversold. The MACD divergent and bearish here. Can continue with the bearish momentum, but it should converge. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts also, it may probably end in a doji or a reversal indication, and then probably once you see it trading beyond 3350, certainly more bullishness is seen. Directional movement bullish, stochastic entering oversold zone, MACD trading with divergence, trading bearish, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you'll observe, see, it has seen the bottom and flat top, double top is done. It is trying to rise. Look at the previous candle, a sharp wick and a flat bottom indicates that anything can happen. Yes, probably it may try to achieve 3500, 3700 levels also if it continues to trade bullish from here. Only bearishness is below 3200. Remember this fact. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD divergent and bullish, RSI trading flat. Considering this, buy at 3350, sell at 3250 till 3200. Do not consider it as bearish, and more bearishness is seen below 30,000 levels. At the same time, remaining staying long above 3300, certainly you can expect it to rise for 3400, 500, in fact 650, 720, 800 levels can be seen. So take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, join my mentorship batch, join my signals group, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Becoming a patron will definitely be a great motivation for me. So pattern site link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. My email ID is also mentioned. My Telegram ID is also mentioned. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.